Hi, let's take a look at Datameer's new feature of organizing and grouping data transformation nodes in a project pipeline that helps simplify overall navigation and maintenance. Here we have a relatively complex Datameer project with a bunch of transformations. Let's simplify this pipeline by grouping the transformation nodes. Let's first choose the filter transformation and the join transformation node. We can then click on the create group and name the group join plus filter to signify what's exactly happening in that group. You can also optionally collapse or expand that group. Let's collapse that group and create a second group comprising of the two SQL transformation nodes and create that group, and let's call that group SQL transforms. You can then collapse that group as well and create a third group comprising of the last two transformations and collapse. You can then go back to the first group and expand to view the individual transformation nodes as well as edit them. You can also ungroup the actual nodes to return to the original data pipeline. So to summarize, Datameer users can now reduce overall complexity of projects significantly using the new grouping feature. Thanks.